SANTINA. Yeah. Baby Tez. KRIZZ Holmes, the G-Child. Standing in the rain. Yeah.
Put your hands together for Fly Guy, Baby Tez.
Baby Tez, I keep fading my vision. I gotta make a way. Bless. Cause here come another day. If my pops was alive, he'd probably still be smoking. I guess addiction to the streets kept his ass going. Having too many kids, that equals child support. That just equals out another black man stuck. Yeah, if you can own your own name, you best to own that shit. Cause it's all bad once the system gets a hold of it. Nah, I can't let it stop me now, no. I just gotta find a better way to get it now. Concerned as a youngin' growing up, breaking all the rules. Hailing like smoke, already knowing how the game gon' do. And everybody speak they facts and opinions, but which one of you motherfuckers trying to make a difference? Trying to climb on my struggle, yeah, increase on my hustle. And if you sleep on the game, shit, your ass in trouble.
Standing in the rain, yeah, trying to find a better way to ease the pain. Lately, thinking I was here.
Shedding blood for money. The niggas up on the block out here killing for nothing. So what the fuck is really going on in my lifestyle? Like right now, I'm just trying to continue living my life out. So pipe down and listen. I done the shit with the passion. Up in the front seat, written and grinding while I'm laughing. Passing the ball of y'all and I will never fall or fail. Cause if I trip, then they would send me to jail. And who the fuck's gonna bail me out of the cell? It feels like I'm trapped in hell with the devil as my warden. And I'm hoping that I can change his face. Sometimes it feels like I'm in a game that I can't even play. So what do? I just keep moving forward and keep my faith and stand tall in the grace of God. And never say that I can't make it cause I did it today. In the rain or in the fog, I'ma see it, dog. I'm trying to get out the game, I ain't trying to fall, nigga.
Standing in the rain, yeah, trying to find a better way to ease the pain. Lately, thinking I was here. Misery living. Standing in the rain, yeah, gotta find a better